Is battery saver limiting your phone's performance? Follow along as I walk you through the fastest ways to disable it on any Android phone and restore full speed, background activity, and normal device functionality. Method 1. Turn off battery saver from settings. Start by opening the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll through the menu and tap Battery. Depending on your phone's manufacturer and Android version, you may need to select Battery and Device Care, or Battery and Performance before reaching the battery settings. Next, tap Power Saving, Battery Saver, or a similarly named option. You'll see a switch indicating whether the feature is currently enabled. Simply tap the toggle to turn it off. Once disabled, your phone will immediately return to its normal performance mode, allowing apps to sync in the background, notifications to arrive without delays, and system features to operate without battery saving restrictions. Method 2. Turn off battery saver from quick settings. You can also disable battery saver without opening the settings app. Swipe down from the top of the screen once, then swipe down again to fully expand the quick settings panel. Look for the power saving or battery saver tile. If it's highlighted or colored, battery saver is currently active. Tap the icon once to turn it off. The tile will become gray or inactive, confirming that battery saver has been disabled. If you don't see the tile, tap the edit or pencil icon to customize your quick settings panel and add the battery saver shortcut for quicker access in the future. Your battery saver is now turned off. Thanks for watching and don't miss our next helpful Android guide.